National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Canton County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, east central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 4:45 p.m. At 4 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over West Deming, or over Philadelphia, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles, possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Camden, Bensalem, Mount Laurel, Willingboro, Medford, Lumberton, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Mount Holly, Riverside, Palmyra, Jenkintown, Bordentown, Beverly, Rockledge, Towertown, Pemberton, and Wrightstown. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 4 and 7A. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 351 and 359. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 21 and 40. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 343 and 344. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 36 and 57. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 676 in New Jersey between mile markers 3 and 4. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington and Camden.